Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be talking about Pretty Little Thing and I'm not happy. And I don't want to be promoting their subscription box anymore. I am absolutely gutted. I thought it would be amazing. I thought it would be really, really cool. But no, they've just let me down. I have got the December box here. I will quickly look through it. I can't tell you not to subscribe. It's completely up to you. But this is my experience and why I am trying to cancel my subscription. So, Pretty Little Thing, as you may already be aware, they are a huge online fashion store, plus they do a lot of beauty as well. They've brought out different one-off limited edition boxes, which have been really great because we get to try products from their own brand as well as well-known brands. Plus they bring out their beauty advent calendars, affordable advent calendar, and really great products. So for the last couple of years, yeah, really, really positive. But August this year, they brought out a subscription box. I think a one-off box was £15 or is £15. I decided to go for a 6-month subscription, and because of that it brought the price down a bit, and I pay £13.75 and that includes shipping, so an affordable subscription box. So I was really excited about it. First month arrived and I was really underwhelmed. I just thought, what? For their first ever box, it was a bit of a disappointment. If you are completely new to beauty subscription boxes, then yeah, it's an alright box. But because I've been doing this for many years now, I just thought, oh, the products that are in there were products that we've seen over and over and over again in beauty subscription boxes. Like Ico London was one of them. I can't remember what the others were. Maybe a Dr. Paw Paw, but a lot of the products were products that I've seen and received over and over again. So nothing new. So the first box did not stand out from any other beauty subscription box over the last couple of years. September arrived and I never received it. Now, they tried to take money out of my account, but I had an email to say they couldn't, which is wrong. I couldn't understand why not, because I always make sure I've got enough money in my account, because that's when all my subscriptions come out, so I know exactly what is coming out and how much I need. So there was money in my account, but apparently they couldn't take the money out and they couldn't send me the box, and that was it. I didn't receive a box at all in September. So I think, what? That's a bit weird. That is a bit weird, but I was thinking, okay, we'll see what happens the following month. So then October box came around, really great box, really great products. Can't remember exactly the products that are in them. If you want to have a look, I have got a playlist. So yeah, really happy. November's box came and I think there was an issue with it being late. It was all right. It wasn't an amazing box, but it was all right, which is what you come to expect with a mystery box. Some months are going to be better than others and more suited to you, etc. So yeah, it was not a bad box, but not as great as the October box. Okay, December then. Oh, this is where it all goes tits up. Where does that saying come from? That's so awful, isn't it? Tits up. As usual, I was expecting to have money taken out my account and an email to say my box is on its way and everything like that, but no. I had an email to say that there was problems in the warehouse and the boxes are out of stock and they aren't able to send me one this month. You would have thought they'd know how many people are signed up for a regular subscription, whether it be in a monthly, 3, 6 or 12 months. You would have that list, you would have that number. The fact that they ran out of stock when they would have known about this months ago, possibly, I don't know, but I'm assuming a lot here. But yeah, essentially I didn't get my box because they didn't have enough stock. So then I thought, stuff this. No, this is not right. They didn't send me a box out in September. Now there's issues in December. So out of 5 boxes, I've only received 3. And I've only got 1 month left of my subscription. So I thought, oh, I can't be bothered. I really want to cancel now. So I went on to the Pretty Little Thing website, tried to cancel. I did cancel my subscription. But then I found out that instead of it finishing in January, because they didn't send a box out in September and December, although this is a December box, but we'll get onto that in a little while, they had now moved my subscription forward to March. I was like, no way! No, I'm finishing now, or at least, worst case scenario, finishing when I originally agreed to finish, which was January. I don't want my subscription extended for another 2 months. I want to come out of it. I was so annoyed. So I messaged them. I spoke to about 5 or 6 different people and it was so annoying, really annoying. I'd start off by explaining the situation, saying I'm not happy, I want to finish my subscription, I do not agree to it being extended by an extra 2 months at the fault of them. I want to finish it completely, please rectify it, blah, blah, blah. And I spoke to about 3 different people asking me the same thing. Hi, sorry to hear this, please can you send the original order number? And me going back, what order number? I can't find any order number because it's a subscription. It's not, I've ordered something off the website. When I initially took out the subscription, there would have been an order number related to it. So anyway, found it, went back to them, and then no reply for a day or 2. And then I spoke to someone else, and then I had to repeat the process. This happened 3 times. Eventually, I ended up then emailing again with screenshots of my subscription with the extra 2 months added on that I don't want added on, and the original messages and things. I spoke to 2 different people, and again they both said the same. I cannot cancel. Hold on, I'll get my phone so I can read to you exactly what they said. Thank you for getting back in touch. I'm sorry I can no longer cancel this since this is already over 14 days from the date you placed your order. Then I email back saying it's not as if I've ordered like a jacket or something from your website. I've ordered a subscription and you have added on 2 extra months. I want you to take those 2 extra months off. And then I had the same reply. And I've been ghosted since. I've sent another email, nothing. I haven't had anything now for the last 4 days. So I'm going into my bank account and I'm going to cancel my direct debit. How annoying. How annoying. But since then, I had an email to say, thank you, we've taken payment out of your account for the December box. And guess what? The December box blimmin' turned up, didn't it? So I got my box in the end, but I didn't want it. After everything, I didn't want it. I was annoyed. I'll show you what's inside this box, but it's not going to be a proper unboxing because I don't want to promote it. But please let me know if you've had the same experience as well. Some eyelashes. These are dainty eyelashes. Are they dainty? Yeah, by Prima, which I'm sure we had the same ones in a previous box. I know the same Prima lashes, but they look very similar. Then I got a Mario Badescu Skincare Gentle Foaming Cleanser. There's 29 mils there. Oh, I can hear my dogs running up and down the stairs. They've escaped. We've got a gate at the bottom of the stairs because we've got 2 golden retrievers, a 9-year-old and a 11-month-old puppy. And the puppy just wants to be with me all the time. So she's constantly trying to get up the stairs. I can hear my daughter. Oh, it's quiet now. Next, I've got a, I don't know what this says. It looks like Amrezy. This is by PRETTYLITTLEHING, their own brand. It's Pink Princess. It's a liquid highlighter. Does it say Amrezy? I don't know. There. It's pretty. It is really pretty. So there's that. Then we've got a lip shimmer gloss by So Susan, and this is Kiss and Tell. There. And this is nice as well. A nice gloss. Then we've got a Colour Wow. This is a Pop and Lock high gloss finish, and it's a little serum that you put in your hair. And I've never tried this. It doesn't really appeal to me, and it's got a little glitter in it. I have had it before in different boxes. Yeah, apply evenly to wet hair, style as usual, smooth, lightly over dry styled hair for extra shine. Yeah, it might be nice, but I don't know. And then this, I've had this many times and I don't like it. Ico London again. Spotlight. It's okay, but there's just better ones out there. Can you see? So a highlighting, although it's not the best highlighter, but it's a little pencil. So those are all the products inside the December box. The boxes are ginormous, aren't they? So my advice, if you're really interested in the subscription, wait a little while. See what's happened with other YouTubers. Maybe the service might improve, or it just might go downhill. Who knows? I haven't got a clue. But anyway, I want to cancel. I want my 6 months to be up, and I'm definitely not paying for an extra 2 months that I had no say in. But yeah, I would love to hear what you think. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.